It's a bad man thing. See, one time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh, yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na.
So I decided to make this another part of my Learn With Me series. This is like my second time installing a frontal wig on camera. I think I am learning from my mistakes. So I did not bleach the knots on this unit, as you can tell. I did plug just a little bit from the hairline, and I think you guys saw all of that in the video. This is just really a learning process for me. Really trying to venture out of my comfort zone and just try some new things for 2018. As far as the hair is concerned, it has held up pretty nicely. This is a very full unit. I am getting some shedding. I'm still getting some shedding as we speak. And it could be because I did cut close to the hairline, but I am getting quite a bit of shedding with this wig. I did wash it, and of course it fluffed up so beautifully. I really didn't put too much product in it. I put like a leave-in conditioner, some water, and that was really it. And I am just absolutely loving this curl pattern. So I am very pleased with Miss Body here. So you guys let me know what you think of the wig down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, definitely check out WowEbony.com. Their information and a direct link to this wig will be in the description box down below. If I left anything out, definitely let me know, hit me up, and I'll definitely answer it for you. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.